Naam. Mwingine aliniuliza pale kwenye inbox, ustadhi, hii taco, tunasikia taco huko Europe, almaarufu tachograph ni nini? Tachograph ni hii hapa. Tachograph kwa kifupi ama kwa lugha ambayo utaielewa zaidi, it's a gadget that is used to record and store drivers' activities in a truck, and mainly mainly on the purpose of recording capturing his driving time and resting period time in accordance with the European Union Council. Tachograph is a gadget that is used to record and capture to record and store drivers' activities, including driving time and resting time, in accordance with the European Union Council requirements. And kwa hii tachograph, this is a tachograph gadget, and then kuna tachograph card. So this is a tachograph card, and this is how it looks like. So unaingiza ndani, and this is like a USB. It's the memory. It carries memory ya driver. However, you can get tachograph readings ama records ama activities from the card, ama pia unaweza itoa kwenye gadget. So this is what we call a tachograph. Wozolo.